This trick is called die casting. There are several different ways to do this, but this is a cool trick of physics, and I'll keep everybody updated on the results. Okay, we have here some dies, one black, one white. This is for our fusion principle. We're going to do this to compound our elements. This is our fusion born classic chain production. And see, traditional die casting, you take different elements, you put them in a circle, you put the element you want to change in the middle, and you use a few different things, a few different types of metals, some stones, some magnets. The best way for it to work is to have the object in the middle work as the magnet, and then all you do is you flip the polarities of it. See, this way I could actually do these a lot faster. We got the black die, which represents the solid elements. We have the white die, which represents the light elements. So therefore we've got photonic induction with this one, and electronic composition to this one. Every turn will be a regrade telemetrically. I don't have any magnets, but it's easy enough to build something with polarity. All you gotta do is rub it for it to start gaining polarity. And later on, as I work through the alchemy of this piece, of course, breaking down the polymorphic magnets and infusing the chain with different fuels, this modulation will change. But from this, we're hoping to grow some new elements. So if things start popping up, and these ripples go out everywhere, so if things start moving around the world, in people's houses, new stuff starts popping up, new combinations of elements, don't trip. It's all part of this. Everything's connected. Okay, let's start our first cast. Okay, we're going to use telemetrics. We're going to use a little bit of numerology. We'll use some physics. Okay, first is 5, which is our number of communication and transpondency. So we've got the organic communicating with the non-organic. Okay, 3 is the number of balance, so it could be applied to both sides. Okay, that was just a practice cast. Second one, cast. Remember, this is die casting. Everything fits. 5 and a 4. 5 is the number of communication. 4 is the number of concession or payment, fission, or what have you. So you see here, this is where all the fission points come together, and the piece in the middle, which is this chain here. Okay. And the 4 is concession, so we're giving to the chain, and that'll, since it's conductive, it'll touch everything. These ripples that I'm sending out. Again, the 5 and the 4. So next we're going to need a deduction, downgrade, and a reduction, which should yield one higher number, one lower number. If it's worked right, if not, we gotta polarize the chain some more. Okay. Well, the 4 seem to be prevalent. which will change. So what we'll do is we'll switch sides for the 4 to change, because we need the right composition for the regrading. Okay, that worked out quite nice. Okay, so third cast results. Now we need something higher. Here we go. Now we've got the change. Find a balance.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
I'm making a video playing with these dice.
Making what?
Making a video playing with these dice.
Oh.
Okay. So we have our symmetry there. Now we're going to go offbeat. 6s and the 4 seem to be stuck to this, but you roll a different number. If not, attach the element. See? See how that works? There's a little magic for it. Maybe a little bit more. Spice things up. Can you guess what number comes next? Bet you can. It's the number of duality. Now we need to change, so we'll rotate. So let's decomp. It's actually, yeah, that's right. Well, I would carry on, but the alchemy is not